Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my class. I am Sumitra Nayak, and today I am going to teach you social studies. Our today's topic is globe. Look at this picture nicely. What it is? Yes, it is a globe, a model of the earth. What does a globe shows? A globe shows shape, location of the continents, oceans, seas, and different countries, etc. As you are looking this picture nicely, our earth is looking mostly in blue color. Why it's so? Look at the next slide. Now you see, my dear, our earth, as you are looking in this picture, our earth is mostly covered with water. So 70% of the earth is covered with water. That's why our earth is also known as blue planet. Now come to the next slide. The shape of the earth. As you are looking, my dear, how the earth is rotating. Why it is rotating so smoothly? Do you know? Because the shape of the earth is spherical. That's why it is rotating so smoothly. Yes, now you see, as I explained you, the earth is spherical in shape. It is slightly flat at the poles and bulges at the equator. Now you need to understand what is equator. So equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves. We can understand this equator by this picture also. Now you see, equator is the middle of the line. It is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal parts. Above portion is called northern hemisphere and below portion is known as southern hemisphere. The portion which starts from North Pole to equator, it is northern hemisphere. The portion which starts from equator to South Pole, it is southern hemisphere. Here is a North Pole, here is a South Pole. You can see one more term is here, axis. Let me tell you what is axis. Yes, now to understand the term axis, you need to see this. What you are looking here. Now, here is the mini globe. We can see only half the globe at a time. If we want to see the other half, we have to turn it around. It can be turned around a line passing through it. This line is called axis. This is an imaginary line. Now you see this picture. So we can say axis is an imaginary line which runs through North Pole and South Pole, which is tilted at 23.4 degree. You can see this movement. This is the Earth's movement, how it is rotating. Now you see this another picture. Here is the North Pole, here is the South Pole, and this is the rotation of the Earth. Now at last, we need to remember some points. Let us recall with me. The Earth is round in shape. A globe is a model of the Earth. The globe shows us the shape and the location of continents, oceans, seas, countries, etc. Axis is an imaginary line around which the earth rotates, or we can say It is an imaginary line which runs through North Pole and South Pole, which is tilted at 23.4 degree. And the last, equator is an imaginary line which divides the earth into two equal halves. Now children, you take out your pen and copy and please note down all these points and go through this video again and again. I hope I am very clear to you. Okay children, take care, bye bye. I'll teach you next topic in my next video.